Why, seemingly, are distressed neighborhoods so difficult to turn around with benefits that accrue to all of the residents? And why is comprehensiveness so hard? Is it required for transformation? I think increasingly we are aligning the scope and scale of our challenges with the scope and scale of approaches. There's stronger evidence emerging on approaches that work.
There are things that we can do to try to reshape those environments that are conducive to enhancing the likelihood that people will be able to pursue healthy lives.
I'm really an optimist. And the reason I'm an optimist is because of the people that I've met in City Heights, especially the young people who are doing amazing things, mostly because of themselves, not necessarily so much because what we and other not-for-profits have done, but because the resilience of young people when they're given half a chance is just remarkable. Our work has really been focused on youth. What we're trying to do is to provide as much social service support, mentoring, and not-for-profit agencies in the community to serve the community.
Our mission is to break the cycle of intergenerational urban poverty by creating channels of opportunity for low-income people to live in healthy neighborhoods. All of the outcomes that we worry about, they're all a consequence of these conditions in these distressed neighborhoods, and that if we can transform these neighborhoods into healthy neighborhoods, we can directly improve those outcomes.
One of the things that we quickly discovered was that our communities had different ideas about what success looked like, and some of the things our community said were important were things like the school-to-prison pipeline, immigration reform, land use, gentrification, and essentially displacement.
My biggest worry is that City Heights and San Diego is becoming so expensive now. Is there going to be a place for immigrants who need a launching pad? People come from all parts of the world, and their children live the American dream. What success is in a community like City Heights is that the young people are going to college and they are proud of their community. It's amazing the pride in that community.
Our goal is to make these neighborhoods feel like they're any other kind of neighborhood, that they're healthy, vibrant, good schools, safe streets, all the things that we, I think, aspire to have in our neighborhoods. The school, in fact, should be the most important economic development asset of a neighborhood. When you have children, the quality of that school is the key determinant about where you end up choosing to live.
I really believe that the schools in City Heights are good schools. The real issue is when kids have the kind of problems they have at home, where they don't have good health care, where they don't have someone at home to take care of their siblings. I was born in San Diego. I've lived there all my life. And I don't think anybody from the outside could be as committed as people who are San Diegans to making sure that our community is a good community. And I would guess that's true in most communities in the United States. And as far as the investment, it's not so much a matter of money. It's really a matter of passion and desire to make your community a good community. And we all live in communities where there are rich people and poor people. We're responsible for the people in our community. It starts locally. I think it's really about what your values are and what you care about.